Hi everyone, my name is Ian McGowan. I'm a student in the dual MSW and Education Human Sexuality program at Widener. Three assets I have. Immediately when I thought three assets, I thought about my ass that goes on for miles, my charming personality, and my good looks. But then it says to help classmates learn about general social work, so I had to kind of think a little bit and maybe BS a little as far as some things that I bring to the table that helps others learn about social work. Is my military experience and working with vets is a big one. My background in probation and parole and working with offenders. And then the third one, a specific type of offender, the sex offender that I have worked with for about 3 years and work with their providers as far as doing treatment with the sex offenders. Favorite movie, hands down, is Super Troopers. And a hobby or interest that I have or used to have, Dungeons & Dragons. I'm 41 now. I used to do that back in the high school days. But recently, a couple of buddies of mine, in order to kind of get us hanging out again, got me playing that. What I hope to do with my MSW social work degree in the future is I want to work for the Department of Veterans Affairs once I retire from the state, which I got a couple of years ago yet, and then work with other veterans who are dealing with issues that are enrolled in the VA health system. If you have any questions, hit me up on Engage. Thanks. Have a wonderful day.